Shwa bangin sedang ya ke kubor, ni kerpat ipi ki nongpet, ban subscribe ya ke ni ke channel, ban klik ya notification bell, bapin yo ki kubor na ke jela.
Kinong hikai SSA hapok ke Shastri jong ke MSSASA mentak kesengi ke khatnyau tarik ujemang kilalet ban kedu ya menteri ke puli puthi URA sangma ban budin halor kimat kibarim kibala dawan nadu kisnem baladep bat kibala sateng bat ru ban budin habadai bakajing dawa badai ban bu bentak kambu ni kinong hikai nak ke state budgets
tendu jengi bagi education minister isa kami sama kalong bangi budin halor kitu ki mat barang sateng jungi kabalong kong hini wan taksi kalong ban ai kublai kerpang ye kamtam ya kecing simkhia jungi ban pentri kam ya ka ban transfer ya ka tulok jungi na ka account jong ka simam syaka account jong kino hikai directly kumba pilatip hi na 2018 ila dawa ya kani but we commend kumpulan ka SSA ba hakani ka sarkar ka minta MDE2 under the ministership of Sarki Arakam is Sangma Education Minister. Kila simkia ya kane, but kila pentri kam ya kane ka manpa ya katulok jungi sa account jong kino hikai darkili nandu January onwards kata day number 1. Kabaar pad ni one ban follow up akabai day but katu ka demands ke jongi bangin ang baka state kapan bush. Sibon ka budget hapo jong ka state budget na benta jong kino hikai SSA kadang bangin om ya kendo jinge so kumbang kendo kini kipot baldep hakabai day but ka issue jong ka salary. Tingin sum komen menta nakaliang jong education minister de pentip yang iba nakaliang jong ka department kila dep shim ya kata karai ba ani shikmat kino hikai kim de shu pani kendo jinge hakabai day but ka salary kila de ble ya ka arrangement hakabai day but ka ne but ila pentip bro yang iba probably la kuno ka first installment na government of India kan one how panai June last week June the first week July te halor jong kane kat pakirang ab ya kane ka first installment side by side kila de ble ka arrangement na ka state government but soon probably by next week iong ba ya ka salary jong panai March rukin pelai no menta jong iki no hikai SSA ya kendo bentar sini kalau hakapai dai bat kane ka pakin constitute no ya chairman jongka ka State Education Commission berkunjung di Boston. Tidak kalian cuma ngomba ka search committee minta kala ya syachai banwa iki beriu ke biang na minta bantu ko chairman jongka ni commission berkunjung ya ki members. Mana kalian cuma ulah kerpat biang ini bangin ya sya ka kalian cuma government ka claim shong krikti kalau kadang don hakalenti ka search committee kale ka jongka kamram tu bersun bisa review hakabai day berkani ya ka search committee kalale te kabakadu kabangi discuss hakabai day berkani ka kini ki vacant post mo haki school SSA kamba pila TP minta almost 2 years kini ki school SSA bon kini ki school SSA ki long without teachers mo the student have suffer a lot te minta na kaliang jongi pentip hangi ba ka kani bakin identify ya ki school with less enrollment dan ki zero enrollment school ka ya syachai minta dari banle ya kan ka rationalize kala ya syachai minta tiong ka government kan work out minta kuno ban solve ya kan ka issue jo ki bakan post tiong yang iba ka government kadang perkat minta ba kala ban hadin bakala ban identify ya kita ki school kita ke single digit school ni ki zero enrollment ni ki school ki pa bun ki enrollment hadin bakal be identify kala ban grant permission to ki school who are really deserve to appoint teachers to appoint those teachers who are vacant in the respective school and for those school who have zero enrollment or less enrollment the government will take a call or what decision shall be done kata kalau ka ba nakaliang jung discuss money education minister.